name is Amber B if you're new to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title, I am gonna be doing a clean with me in my new home. I'm super excited. Obviously, this is not the first time I'm cleaning my house. I've been here for about a month now. That's crazy. But I've been here for about a month now, and I've been cleaning every weekend, okay? I just wanna make sure my home is spotless, even though I have no furniture right now, which is another story, and we'll get into that in another video, okay? I'll probably do like a little home update in regards to my plans for the design of the home. I know you guys are like waiting for those videos, but you guys, a lot of things are backordered right now. So there's not too much to clean like that, except the spaces that we use a lot, of course, and really all the bathrooms, because we use all the bathrooms, which is actually really surprising, depending where we are in the house. But today, I'm gonna be cleaning all the bathrooms in my house. Definitely gonna be cleaning the kitchen, like that is the main star of the show today. And then my office and my bedroom. So those are other things I'm gonna do today. Obviously, I'm gonna do other things too, like laundry, which I like hate laundry. I'm not gonna fold it, but I'm gonna start it. But I'm gonna do other things as well. But I just want this video to be, you know, a little motivation for you guys, okay? And also too, you know, so you can see some of the things, some little sneak peeks of things within the house. Of course, I did a, you know, whole empty house tour. So if you haven't seen that, make sure you go see that, okay? I'll put that above in the cards. But anyway, I'm gonna get into the video. So let's jump right into the kitchen. I wanna show you guys something really quick. These microfiber cloths, like, I really wasn't cleaning with microfiber cloths like that in the beginning. I would do it for like my stainless steel appliances when I lived in my apartment, but not like for my surfaces. And I'm like, what was I doing the whole time? Like, these are so clutch. I got a pack of these from Home Goods, actually. Like, they have them, they have like really like cool, neat stuff in their cleaning out. But also you can get them from like Walmart or Target, just any place. I'm pretty sure they sell microfiber cloths, or Amazon, which is like the easiest thing. So I'll leave actually an Amazon link down below if you guys are interested, but you definitely need these, okay, when you're cleaning. These are game changers. Like, even for your mirror, you guys, like, I will always use paper towels. Like, I'm using this now. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna do some dishes, and let's just get into this kitchen real quick, because y'all, it is a mess. Let me show y'all. First of all, don't judge me, okay? I was cleaning out my vacuum because my fiance spilled a little oatmeal on the floor this morning, and he was in a rush, so I told him that I would clean it up. And yeah, so we're gonna get that up. We got a couple dishes. We usually don't leave dishes in the sink, but it's been a long week, you guys, okay? So bear with us. So I'm gonna clean all of this. The appliances, they definitely need a desperate clean. See how, like, look how foggy that is. Ugh, yeah. So anyway, all this needs a really little good wipe down. So let's get into it. I need to clean my fridge. I'm like, y'all, I don't like cleaning the fridge. Like, it's a lot of work to just go through everything, throw everything away, make sure, you know, things are not expired. So that's what I'm doing. A little plug for these. Love these. These are from Home Goods. I've been prepping my veggies in these, and it's a really good way, like veggies and fruits and things like that, to really just eat more. So I actually bought a little, honestly, I bought too many veggies, so for just like me and my fiance. So definitely won't buy as many as I did last time. Probably just focus on 2 different veggies and like try to eat those. And then also my fridge is annoying because it makes that beeping sound. Like, if you leave the fridge open for like 3 seconds, it's kind of annoying. But anyway, I'm gonna speed this up. I need to throw all this stuff away, clean like this stuff, you know, the leftovers and stuff. They're kind of old and we're not gonna eat it. So I'm not gonna do like a super crazy deep clean of the fridge, but I just need to get all of the containers out and wash those and get the dishwasher. Anyway, get the dishwasher running and just wipe everything down really good so you know it's fresh, you know. I don't want gunk and stuff building up over time, but I'm not gonna take things out and like hand wash them and just, because it's not that dirty. I just want to wipe, give everything a little good wipe down. So I'm gonna speed this up and yeah, speed up. So I saw this thing on TikTok, like of how to clean a glass stovetop. And so I have, as you can see, a glass stovetop, all electric, and I honestly hate it. Y'all, I hate electric stoves. I really wish that it was a gas stove, but it is what it is. Very thankful regardless. But the reason why I hate it is because, one, it takes some getting used to with like just controlling the temperature, and I just always felt like electric stoves is so hard to control the temperature versus gas. Like, it's just way easier, and then also it's hard to clean, as you can see. So right now I'm just gonna do like a very like surface level clean, and I've been cleaning it every day, so it's really not dirty. I make a point to clean it every day because I don't want like a bunch of gunk to build up, but sometimes it's inevitable with like a gas, or sorry, a glass stove top. A gas stove top. I can't talk today and I'm thirsty. Hold on, wait. Anyway, so yeah. So that's where I'm at. But I'm gonna, maybe I'll make a video about how to clean it, because based on this like little TikTok video that I found, because y'all, it is, or maybe I'll make my own little concoction up, because it's a mess sometimes, you guys. Like, I can go on and on. All right, sorry guys, my camera went dead in the process of me cleaning the kitchen, but the kitchen is now done. Oh my gosh, nothing like having a clean kitchen. So obviously, as you can see, the countertops are white, the floor is clean, wipe down everything in the fridge. It's pretty empty right now. I need to go grocery shopping, but everything looks so good. And then there's Bubs. All right, now I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna clean all the bathrooms, so I'm just gonna speed all of this up. Usually when I clean my bathrooms, I'll have 2 microfiber cloths. So one for the mirror and then one for just to clean off the surfaces and stuff. So definitely have that. And I also have gloves because I'm gonna clean the toilets. I don't want to touch the toilet with my bare hands. And I've just learned over time, like, it's good to clean with gloves because you don't want the products like the bleach and stuff that you're using to kind of seep into your skin. They are pretty, some of these products are not like the best for, you know, to be seeping into your body. So yeah, so definitely wear gloves, protect your hands. Before I start this, you guys, I've seen this like everywhere on social media and the hype is real. I absolutely love this. Like, this with the microfiber cloth is dangerous, okay? Like, it is game changing. So get you some. All right, guys, I have moved to my bathroom. My gosh. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but my shower is really dirty. Don't mind this situation over here. I need to get like a little shower stand, and I haven't been able to find the one that I want. I think there is one at IKEA that I want, but I'm gonna go see just to make sure. You guys, like I said, I am taking my time in this house, and I'm not, you know, just trying to rush and buy stuff. Like, for instance, this is temporary. This is not gonna be the vibe in the bathroom. I'm gonna decorate the bathroom a little bit. But my overall plan with this bathroom, as I told you guys before, is that I do want to do a renovation in here. But I do want to spruce this up a little bit, even though I know, like, in the long term, I'm gonna do a renovation in here just to kind of make, you know, really, I'm gonna change the floors and the tile in the bathroom, and then lighting and things like that. But I do like the cabinets and the countertops. So, but anyway, I still would like to have some type of decor in here that I could just keep, even though I change out the floors and the lighting and things like that. So enough of that. But as you can see, it's pretty dirty. The mirror is really, really dirty. And yeah, so don't mind that. Also, this is like my cleaning outfit, baggy t-shirt, leggings. But anyway, I am going to get all this together, do the floors, and then I need to make up my bed in there. Bubbles, you know, she just does what she wants, even though, you know, whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna make up my bed, and I will probably do the floors and the vacuum and tidy up my office, and that will be it. So, home stretch, guys, home stretch. All clean. Ugh, nothing like a clean bathroom, guys. Nothing. Look at my lines. Okay, get into it. Get into it. Alright guys, that is it. I hope this video inspired you guys and motivate you guys to get up and get cleaning your home. There will be plenty more of these videos coming, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.